It's Discount Diva. Happy Sunday. Hope everyone is having a great day, great time off with their loved ones, their family, or just enjoying a good show, binge watching on Netflix, or whatever makes you happy. So I was running some laundry and I ran out of my usual detergent gel pads that I love to use. These guys, they're everything. They're the Fab detergent gel pads and you get 10. The fragrance is Spring Magic and it's so good. Let me tell you, I'm doing a small medium load. I just throw one in. If I get, if I'm doing a heavier load, I'll probably do 2, but 1 and I'm done. They're everything. So I had to pick up 11 of them. I was with my little one and she says, "Mommy, if you love them so much, just grab them all." I said, "Yeah, you're right." So I grabbed 11 of them. She's right. So then I picked up my usual that I picked up these in the past, and they're the Sun Sky Breezy drying sheets, and they added 5 more. They usually come with 50, but these are 55. So this is good. But they had a new product that I've never seen, guys. Dynamo Color Capture washing pads. It says it works by, so it says, how does it work? Color capture pad to trap loose dyes released during the wash cycle. At the end of the wash, the dye comes out on the pad and not your clothes. Oh, so let's say you wanted to mix a white top with a red one. Let's say you just threw it in by mistake. This pad picks up that color so it doesn't mess up the other colors on their clothes. Not bad. It's a soiled pad. Interesting. So the color that it would have mixed with the other shirt, it's grabbed onto this pad. Wow. So they're dye trapping pads. And you get 10. My little one actually said, "Mommy, this is new." I said, "You're right. Let's pick one up." Actually, I picked 2 up. It says you put your clothes in a washing machine, you use your detergent and whatever other laundry products as usual. You add 1 sheet to the wash load before you start the machine. Either red, dark, or non-color fast garments. And then discard sheets after the wash. And the color soil sheet will show absorbed loose dye, keeping the clothes vibrant. I will be trying this out. And then I picked up this. Let me tell you guys, I tried this before about a week, maybe a week and a half ago. I actually saw a video, someone hold this, and I said, let me try it. It's the Oxygen Base Cleaner by LA Totally Awesome. It comes with a measuring cup. See that? And while the water is running, excuse me, you put in I actually put it to the top. It works. Excuse me. My little one had put they had slime on their clothes and in the carpet, and I just prayed and hoped that this worked while it was washing, and it was gone. The slime was gone. The clothes looked great. So I said, let me try another one, because I think I was a little like on this much with the first one that I purchased. So this works. $1. And being that this was successful to me, I said, let me try this one. It's the laundry detergent, but it has the oxygen powdered ingredient that this one has. So I figured, let me try it. And it doesn't say if it has a scent or not. It's decent. The smell is good. It's just decent. And let's try it out. And you get 32 loads out of here. Then, I wanted to try this out. I saw someone else had mentioned that this is a good body wash, and it's supposed to be comparable to the Irish Spring body wash. And although it says body wash for men, it smells great. I'm gonna try it out. Ultra fresh. And it's 18 ounces. So let's see. Body wash, fresh scent, and clean rinsing leaves your skin clean and smelling great. The perfect way to get your day going. Okay, it's a perfect way to get my day going. And I picked up, this is not any cleaning products, but this was by the register. My little one was with me and she said, "Mommy, let's try this out." Of course, it has a unicorn, so we were like, yes, let's go for it. And it's supposed to be a gourmet gum, sugar-free, 12 pieces, and it's sweet and sour flavored. So, not bad. And you, like I said, and you get 12 pieces. And then we just picked up chocolate. We're making s'mores tonight. So we had none, so I figured let me pick some up. And then I picked up this, a bag of chips, because while you're doing laundry, you need a little snack, right? Oh, one more thing. Fun bleach. What can I really say about bleach? It's bleach. But this one is lemon scented and it's 3 quarts. So let's see. Lemon scented. Okay. It doesn't have like that strong bleach scent that it usually has. It's kind of like muted a little bit by the lemon scent. So I think this is it. My 11 Fab detergent gel pods. Love these things. I'm telling you, these little pods are pricey. I used to get the Tide pods and I was paying 25, 28, 30 bucks for like the big bag, and I'm like, no. If these work, why not? You know, these things add up. And if it works and you can get it for $1, this is it. This is my laundry cleaning product haul, I would say, plus a little bit of snacks. And I hope you guys are enjoying my videos. This is my 3rd video. Exciting. And I will definitely be making more. I'm getting a little comfortable, and that's it. I hope you guys enjoyed my video. I hope I gave you a little bit of information. And like I said, any excuse for me to go to the Dollar Tree, because I love that place. I pretty much get most of my things from there. And that's it. I think till next time, I'm telling you guys, go get you a jar of this, because this, all the slime was gone. So this is excellent. And I'm excited to try this. Seriously, it absorbs the dye of the clothes if you mix white and different colors for $1. Oh, actually, I saved the best for last. For the coffee drinkers, I don't know if you guys have ever tried Bustelo. It's a Puerto Rican espresso coffee that you brew. I think this is supposed to be like the not so expensive version. I don't know. It says it's Puerto Rican coffee, so I figured let me try. It's called Cafe El Moro. El Moro is in Puerto Rico. So I figured let me try it. 6 ounces for $1. I'll actually try it tonight. I want to make myself a nice cup of coffee. So that's it, guys. How exciting is this? Cleaning products, not really that exciting, but if you can find things that actually work at a good price, why not, right? Who doesn't want to save a little money? Anyway, it was nice chatting with you guys again. Till next time, Discount Diva here. I hope you guys have a great Sunday and the rest of the week. And that's it. Thank you. I hope you guys liked this video. And take care, okay? Bye, guys.